Hey friends, welcome back to Explogz. Today's recipe is chicken Manchurian. It's a very easy version. Come, let's see how it can be made. As it is a two-step process, so the first step would be, here I have taken 1 kg of chicken. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. Salt according to taste. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, soya sauce 2 teaspoon, corn flour 3 tablespoon, maida or all-purpose flour 3 tablespoon. One medium-sized egg. Mix everything together until the chicken coats well. Marinate this chicken for a minimum of half an hour. Moving on to the frying process, here I have taken oil in a pan and I am deep frying the chicken pieces. Fry until they are golden brown. Leave the chicken aside and we'll move on to the next process of making the gravy. Take a large wok and add oil 4 tablespoons. 1 cup of spring onions chopped. Garlic 5 pieces chopped. Half a capsicum chopped in cubes. Half of yellow bell pepper chopped in cubes. Half of red bell pepper chopped in cubes again. Sweat for about a minute or 2 on high flame. Red onions 1 chopped in cubes. Soya sauce 4 tablespoons. Salt to taste. Pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Mix everything together and sweat on high flame for about a minute or 2. Green chili sauce 2 teaspoon. Tomato sauce 2 tablespoon. Mix everything together. Finally add corn flour slurry 1.5 cup. Here I have used half cup of corn flour with 1 cup of water. Leave it on medium flame and keep stirring until the corn flour slurry thickens and it forms to a translucent gravy. Add water to adjust the consistency of your gravy. As you can see, a nice thick dark colored translucent gravy is ready. Next we will move on to add the fried chicken to this gravy mixture. Mix the chicken into the gravy. Lastly, add green onions chopped and mix everything well. Serve immediately as the chicken might turn soggy. So our delicious chicken Manchurian is ready. So do try this recipe and let us know how it turned out. Also check out our chicken fried rice recipe, which goes very well with this chicken Manchurian gravy. I will share the link in the description box below. Do subscribe to our channel and show us some love. Until next time, bye bye.